Welcome to the AI for Graphic Designers training series. In this session we will explore how to improve skin using generative AI in Adobe Photoshop. This is the model image. Her face is having red spots. Our goal is to remove those spots and add makeup to her face. Open Neutral Filters from Filter menu. Turn on Skin Smoothing. It automatically removes maximum spots on her face. If some spots are still visible, then increase the values for smoothness and blur. At this stage, maximum spots will be removed. Turn on Smart Portrait. In Settings section, increase the value for Retain Unique Details. Also make sure Auto Balance Combinations turn on. In Global Settings, you can change the lighting of the image. Here you can change her expression to surprised or happy. Next, turn on Makeup Transfer. Here we can add makeup to her face. Select the reference image where model is having heavy makeup on her face. Here makeup details will be transferred automatically from one image to selected image. Select the output as New Layer, so that all the changes will be on the new layer. This is the original image. This is the image after skin smoothing and makeup transfer. Thanks for watching.